Yo, what's fucking good with y'all boys? We're back with Lollipop Chainsaw. We're headed. Let's just get into it. We headed into the cathedral. We headed into the church. I think that's something in the church room. I don't know. I haven't been in church in a while. It's unfinished. Wait, is that a church? Is this a religious high school that she goes to? I don't know. I don't fucking know. Hey, the whole family here. Oh, I forgot to change out. Shit. Shit. We'll be back. All right, there it is. The suit that we bought last time. It's all right. I guess we didn't see the whole thing, but it still looks. Oh my gosh, it still looks nice. But hell yeah. Oh my. Fruity ass dude, bro. What do you want, bro? We're taking you hostage, bro. Well, the background matches the outfit, I guess. I don't know what this outfit reminds me of. I think I've seen it in a Charlie's Angel movie or something like that. I don't even know, to be honest. Oh, what is this Amos's, bro? Don't fucking Amos. Don't Amos's cat me. What the fuck? It's locked. It's locked on. Yeah, there we go. I was like, what the fuck? And then kill you as well. Wait, they're not dead? Oh, shit. Alright, well, they're not dead yet. That shit just froze them? What the fuck? That shit terrible, bro. That shit was fucking useless. Well, actually not useless, but... Damn, bro, die. God damn. And you canceled my whole combo. Nice. Ooh, okay. Oh, this bitch. Are we gonna get blown up? Okay, wait. We're gonna pause real quick. All right. All right, let's blow this shit up. Oh, I didn't mean to use the Nick ticket. Can we? Oh, do we have enough? Do we have enough? Max health? Oh my God, we're 10 short. We're 10 short. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my gosh. Wait, can I get coins from you? No, I don't think I can. Oh. Oh my. They hate me, bro. They literally hate me. This is like when you don't have enough to pay for like some Skittles at 7-Eleven, but the cashier is like, it's like 10 cents, and the cashier is just like, hey, bro, you good, bro, slide through. But instead, this time, they're not going to let me fucking slide through with it. They're not going to let me slide through. They're going to be like, nah, you going to give me everything you owe me. And it's like, oh my fuck, like, let me get it. Let me get that 5-finger discount. You don't need to cover me, bro. Do you know who I am? Oh, shit. She shot like 2 times, bro. She shot like 2 times, bro. I cleared all these zombies. Me. Big Juliet shit. Oh, shit. Ooh. I forgot about all this, like, rainbow animation shit. Wait, can we go back now? Is it gonna get unlocked? I hope. I fucking hope. Oh shit, dodge. Bro, how many choppers have crashed in this playthrough? There's been so many. Oh, watch it. Drop that shit. Yo, yo, yo. There we go. Woo. Yo. I hope this episode we get to clear the zombies if this is the last episode. I mean, clear the virus. I mean, cure the God damn, bro. Cure the virus. Holy shit. I can't talk. Literally just fumbled on like 3 tries of that, but we're just gonna ignore that. We gonna just skip over that. All right, where they at? Oh, lollipop. Oh shit! I had an extra one. Oh wait, there's one over here. Let me eat one. There we go. For real, Nick. Woo! And it only wait. Wait, what? Time left until Cordelia what? Stop supporting me? Oh shit. Yo, Elvis, watch out with all that. You're not my dad, Elvis Presley. You like the off-brand version. What's the time limit for? What's the time limit for? I'm so confused. Oh my gosh, there's aim assist. Oh, don't give me the aim assist. Oh shit, don't give me aim assist. Oh fuck. Everything's going wrong. Oh no. Okay, come over here. No, I didn't mean to use the Nick ticket. I just forgot that there was no sprinting. No. Come here. And it just hit me. Alright. Oh shit. Suicide bomber. What is this angle? Oh, that's what I had to survive. Oh shit. I forget there's no sprint button. I literally just played the game yesterday, but now I just don't know how to fucking controls work. Like fuck, bro. Like lock in, bro. Our sister's fucking badass. Well, they giving me all that for a 3 hit? Are we dead ass? Oh shit. Yo, get off the fucking aim assist. There you go, he's dead. Yo, why is he eating these? What the fuck was that? Oh, his health bars just glitch on there? What the fucky? Oh shit. Oh. Oh. That's crazy. What the fuck did I do? Exit. Yes. Well, I mean, since we learned about photo mode, I don't know, like, exit. Oh my gosh. And every time the Nick ticket thing goes off, just know that was me accidentally trying to sprint because I'm a dumbass. But there's no sprinting in this game. Oh my. Bro, for real, Nick. Whew. Just let me milk the combo. Oh, run away. No, it went away. Fuck. Bro, these cheerleaders with no legs are something like straight out of Silent Hill, bro. Why can't I fucking kill you? What the fuck? Why the fuck can I... Oh, now it wants to hit. Shit did not want to hit before. Oh. What are you doing in the corner, bro? Why are you in the cut corner? What? Is that the Japanese word for gangbang? Is that what that means? Cause if so, that's kind of weird, bro. What is that timer? What's that? Oh, there's suicide bombers over there. Oh fuck. Come to bitches, open a door. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Run, run. There we go. Oh, is somebody behind me? No. How did that door just open? Cause I know we did not just kick that shit. We kicked off to the right. Get them, Cordelia. Get them. You fucking sniped one, but it didn't one-shot them. You didn't even one-shot the fucking basic one. Fuck, bro. Just pass me the sniper, Cordelia. You can't snipe, bro. You can't snipe for shit, bro. Just pass me the fucking sniper. I'll do some fucking BO2 quick scope trick shot on him, bro. Just pass that, bro. I can tell you don't know how to use that shit. Just pass it to a professional, you know? It's like me throwing the football around on a court and then like Tom Brady or Pat Mahomes comes up and like, hey bro, nah, let me run QB, bro. You bro. Like, what am I supposed to say? I can't just be like, no. I can't just be like, no, I want to be QB. I don't suck. I want to be QB. I want to be QB, Mr. Mahomes. I want to be QB. I'm gonna be like, man, get up all this shit, little homie. And then he's just gonna take that shit from me and be like, give me that shit, boy. And then he's just gonna press me, and then he's just gonna throw the ball beautifully. And then everybody's gonna hate the way I was throwing it. And then yeah. And then I'm gonna go sit on the bleachers and cry because I thought I was the GO QB, but I got humbled, you know. Some light shit like that. Where am I supposed to go? What the fuck? What? Like, you gotta be point blank range to do a one shot, Cordelia? You fucking shit can? My bad. But I just keep cooking Cordelia. I don't know why. She just pisses me off, bro, because that sniper should be for me. And she know that. What the fuck? Damn. Like, these motherfuckers have aim assist. Holy shit. Like, see, these motherfuckers have aim assist. What the fuck? These motherfuckers have aim assist. Me, nah. I don't got... Well, actually, I do got that shit. Holy fuck. But it don't help me that much. Oh, get them. Bitch. And you're not fucking dead? Are you fucking... There we go. One, two... Nice. What the fuck? Bro, can we get inside already? Like, let me put in some work on Cordelia. Did she say Brad or Rat? Oh, like, holy fuck. I just keep, like, fucking flicking, bro. Like, my sensitivity's on 100 with that aim assist. What's the timer for? I have no idea. Maybe until these guys, like, I don't know. I don't even... Oh, fuck. Holy shit. I can spin 2, bitch. I can spin 2. Stop fucking playing with me. Little 10 hit. Ooh. Oh, fuck. And you canceled my whole shit. What the fuck? How are you alive? There we go. All right, now we're going to do the butt smash. Never mind. Also, what was that timer for? I can't just leave? Oh, no, I guess not. Oh, fuck. I'm low. Is that a bomb right here? Oh, yeah, he is. He's over there. Oh, my hair's in my eyes. Oh, I need a haircut so bad. I like long hair, but then it's like... It gets in my eyes sometimes when I play. But then again, usually I have my hair, like, held back by my headset, but the only reason I don't right now is because gotta look good for the camera, baby. Like, what? But normally I would have this shit all the way back. But nah, I look like a goober. But that's for the in private gaming sessions with the boys. You know, I mean that's for the private gaming sessions with the boys. You know what I'm saying? When I'm not on camera, stop playing with me. Oh fuck. I think I just have to kill this fucking big dude over here, cause holy shit. And then there's another one. Oh my gosh. Let's go. God damn, bro. How many more? How much more do you want from me? And then you break my combo. There we go. I've got you covered. I've got you covered with my sniper that takes 8 shots to kill one zombie. Thanks, Cordelia. Thank you. Thank you to thank you. Like, you ain't gonna cover me for shit. No, and then the aim assist. The aim assist fucked me. The aim assist actually fucked me. Holy shit. It was locked on. I was on the fucking thing, and then it locks onto them. And then Cordelia is useless. My bad. My bad. I'm sorry, Cordelia. My fucking bad. Bitch. Whew. Are they holding goats? Or chickens? I think they're holding chickens. Oh, shit. Bro, it's too much fan service in this game. I know y'all gooners up in here enjoying this shit way too much. I mean, just like me, for real. I love all the fan service, bro. Please give me more. Oh, miss me with that. Are you? It was just one dude up in there, and he's just like, oh no, there's other. Oh shit, there is other people. God damn. Damn, bro, watch out. Fucking vampire teen wolf that all the girls fiend for. Like what? Fucking oh my shit. Woo! Oh my gosh. Woo. Oh, I need all that money. I need all those bands. Little buddy was 6, took all his bands. Woo. Alright, that's every op dad. I'm such your bitch ass, so I'm sorry. Oh, give me that fucking health upgrade right now. Give me that shit right fucking now. Lollipop? I don't need no lollipop. La 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 la. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Yes. Oh, I need more awesome skills, or do I? Or do I need more? What is this? Running sneakers, homing. Okay, everything is maxed. Everything is fucking maxed. Okay, let's go. Wait, what is a candy for? Magic beans? Oh, I can't buy them. Okay, 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 okay. What is this? Heavy? No. Body bash? Brutal cut? No. Chainsaw chain? Okay, wait. Well, actually, we can buy all of these. What is the Nick shackle? Unusable. Usable by playing Nick roulette. Oh, this is to get money. Ooh, so gambling. Hell yeah. Okay, and then actually, we'll save it for Nick tickets, and then try to get the Nick money one. Come on. Fuck yeah. How much money do I get? Shake the Nick. Nick shake. What do I do? What do I do? Oh, yeah, give me that money. Give me that money. Oh, this is an infinite money glitch. Infinite money glitch. Nah, it's good. It's good. It's good. See, gambling pays, guys. Gambling fucking pays. Damn, bro, he gives out everything. God damn. Okay, whoa. See, I mean, realistically, we got it. Nick tickets are 20. Guys, gambling pays, guys. Gambling deadass pays. I'm buying max Nick tickets, and we getting money, bro. I don't know what to tell you. What? It's gone. What the fuck? What? That was a one-time thing? They knew about the money glitch. All right, we'll do chainsaw, whatever. Triangle, triangle, square. Triangle, square, square. What? Or is it square, triangle, triangle? What the fuck did I just learn, man? Oh, there it is. Okay. Still though. Still got me crying though that I can't use my. I just bought all these Nick tickets and I don't even know what the fuck they do, to be honest with you. Infinite money glitch patch, guys. Oh, that's our little sister right there. She just got her license, guys. Fun fact. I mean, Juliet, why don't you be careful with these things right here, all right? I don't accidentally want them hitting. Woo. Hilarious. Hilarious. Ha. Ha. Oh, yeah. We have to have our... Oh, shit. I shouldn't take that. Okay, wait. I'll do this. Bam. There we go. Oh, shit. 1, 2. There we go. Drill. Woo. Ow, bitch. Watch out. Hey, bitch. I mean, I guess. Oh. Bro, what? Oh, fuck, I messed that one up. But, like, what is this route? Okay, only one is gonna survive. Okay, that was delayed. That one delayed. Holy fuck. Damn, bitch. You don't think I can hit my shots, huh? Bitch ass little boy. Come on. Oh, my shit. For really, I forgot how to do this. I think it's R1. Yeah. Oh, we actually can help her out. We have a gun. Oh shit, she made me look out. There we go. Actually, I don't think we're done. What you looking so cute over there, folks? Stop playing with me. Damn, that's it? Oh my shit. What's a spasmatoid? I don't even know what that is, bro. Maybe I'm just too young. Young uncle. Was that tough? Ooh. Ooh. Holy chainsaw. No, I don't have enough for it anymore. I'm a broke boy. Oh, Nick. Oh, Nick, I need bands. Oh, the Nick shake is back. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, Nick. You're the fucking go. I do love you, Nick. Come on, stop fucking playing with me. Awesome homie shit. Come on, Nick. Come on, Nick. Give me the bands. Give me the bands. Give me the bands. Give me the bands. Give me the money. Give me the money. Give me the money. Give me the money. Hey, 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 hey. Yes, Nick. Spam that fucking Spanish. Fucking. No, 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 no. What did I do? Shake. No, shake him. Shake him. Don't shake the baby. Shake the Nick. Can I do that again? Wait, maybe if I go in here. Bam. Does it reset it? No, it's just per chop shop, but at least we can get the holy chainsaw now. 4 squares, 2 triangles. 4 squares, 2 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Eh. 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 Meh. Eh. Meh. Meh. Oh, where's this fucking last zombie at, bro? Where have we been running through hella bullshit? Actually, it's not a zombie. It's a dark wizard that cursed or killed our sensei. Oh fuck, you're making it way too much. And our big fat butt isn't helping the weight of the elevator either, right, Nick? Oh fuck, bitch. Akibara. Capybara. You are just a capybara. Little boys, little peak reference right there. Bitch. Bitch. Bro, I don't know why, but I feel like I could fall off of it even though I can't. I don't think. Yeah, no, I can't. Are we almost there? God damn. Y'all big as shit. Oh my shit. And all these fucking guys want to come over here now? Chop all of them up. Chop all of them up. There we go. Turn them on to coins. No, honestly, bro, this move is so good. Like, I feel like it's definitely the best move in the game. Like, no doubt about it, bro. I mean, this move is like clearing them out just easy as all fuck. This move and this one, oh shit, this one as well. But that one normally only hits one at a time. And I don't really do any other moves because I don't know, because I'm a boring ass person. I don't fucking know. I like this one though. Oh, it didn't work. Nick, that shit already broke, bro. Bitch. Do the butt bash. Nice. What the fuck? No, that shit broke. Are we dead? Did I fuck up? Hell yeah. Dude, it's so weird. My feet is cold. My feet are cold, but my entire upper body is warm. But my feet are like dead cold, bro. Are her and Nick gonna get married? I mean, you gotta like uh you got a POV of some straight Juliet ass, bro. I would not be complaining, G. Oh shit. Goddamn soft hands, boy. I don't know what these guys are fucking doing. You just fucking. Oh shit. Damn. That shit takes a fucking while. Ooh, does that only work on the down ones? Because that's such a hard move. Oh, yeah, it does. Okay, wait. Ah, fuck. Ooh. Bop it. Twist it. Turn it. Uh, nah, I'm not gonna deal with all that shit, boy. Stop fucking playing with me. I got bullets for days. I got way more ammo than all y'all. I got more ammo than the entire police zombie force. All right. I guess. Wait, actually, no. I got to do this. Bitch. Bitch. Are you fucking kidding me? It didn't work because this fucking bitch is alive? Who are they being controlled by? What? Or is that glitched? I don't know. I have no idea. I can kill y'all anyway. God damn. What? What's worse than that, bro? Come on, Nick. Why the fuck won't they die? I killed them. I killed these bitches up here. Yo, this shit. Oh, you want to fucking hide out in the corner, huh? Think I don't see you, huh? Well, now you're dead. And now I'm going to kill all your fucking zombie fans. Bumping all that shit eye music, boy. Bumping all that weak ass music. And you know what? If you let me on the ox, bro, I'll bless y'all ears with some lucky or some yeet, bro. That eyes, bro. Low-key, nah. I'll give them the pleasure of being able to listen to beautiful yeet vocals. To some beautiful 2021 yeet vocals. I'll just give them the pleasure of doing that. Even though they don't deserve that because, like, they're zombies, but, like, still. If their ears get blessed by that holy music, then maybe they'll turn back into humans. Who knows? Who honestly knows, bro? Bitch. Oh, shit. Woo. Amazing. You know I never back down, never. What? Damn, that's hella coins. Ooh, bro, he looks like a wall breaker from Clash Royale running at me like that. Yo, blow up, bro. Bro's taking fucking forever. We just... Oh... Alright. We can do that. We can easily do that. We can easily... No, shit. Oh no, we're dead. Oh no, we're... What the fuck? Okay, we could tank that. We could tank that. We could tank that shit. Right? Right, Julia? We could tank that shit? We could tank that shit? Go quickly. Okay, go. No, you fuck. There we go. Alright, bury that shit. Plug it up. Like, look at the way they run, bro. Straight wall breakers. Alright, they got the fucking... Oh, I should have used one. But they got the bomb running like... Like, that's the song name. That's the sound they make. No lollipop. There's hella bombs around here. Why are you walking towards them, dick cheese? Like, genuinely, what the fuck are you doing? Why are you, like, what? Oh, yeah, no, get off them. Just fucking blow everything up. Who gives a fuck? Also eat this. So we can take this one. Bro, you just came over here to fence there at the fire? In front of all the zombies? Like, bro, are you good? Are you glitched? And he's fucking... Do I need to blow all these shits up? Oh, wait, maybe I need to do this to blow out the fire. There we go. Do I have to actually protect you, bro? I don't want to be on no bodyguard shit, bro. Fuck. What the fuck do I look like protecting this guy, bro? This guy won't even fucking say a word to me. Why am I about to protect, bro? He just walking like fented down like he's about to fall asleep. Like he just slumped walking around. Like, bro, come on. Who did you just get attacked by? I feel like I'm Gucci Mane in 2006. All these diamonds dancing around my neck, that life for break. Hell yeah. And now we're about to dance on his pole. And, well. Oh. Hell yeah, this shit's heavy. Is this the guy who killed our sensei? Oh my fuck. Alright, run at me. Oh, y'all run at me. Oh, y'all fucking run at me. I don't want to get fucking hit by any of you guys. Don't fuck up my combo. I'm going to go for a fucking 60 combo right here. And it's going to be beautiful if y'all don't fuck it up. Yes. Yes. 50. No, you fuck. You fucking bitch. Oh my god, you fucking stupid fucking zombie slut. Holy shit. Oh my fuck. Don't do it again. Oh my fuck. Oh my god, I don't think I'll be able to get the fuck, and then you grab me. Ugh. You fucking dumb bitch. I would have had that shit if it wasn't for that dumb, stupid zombie slut whore at the beginning, bro. Oh my gosh. Maybe it's just a skill issue, bro, but fuck. Nah, you know what? Fuck that zombie, bro. Fuck that bit. Woo! Cut up all your brothers in half, too. Oh, wait, I could just... Oh, no, you can kill him with that. I was about to say, if this doesn't kill them, I could just fucking combo farm. Ora. The dominoes are falling. Hell yeah, Elvis. Elvis Presley. Oh, the chop shop. The chop shop, but I low-key think I'm broke. Okay, hell yeah. Okay, XX triangle. XX. What? XX triangle. XX. XX triangle. Okay, that shit was that shit was straight fucking Okay, I actually do need more bullets, though. I do need more bullets. More bullets, more bullets, more bullets, more bullets, please. And then Nick ticket. I think I'm gonna max out on bullets because I can't buy anything. Awesome skills, no. Health and upgrades, I can buy some bullets though. Wait, how many bullets? 12. Load up to 9. Okay, I'm at 999. I mean, all this is bought. All everything in here is bought. Platinum medals. I don't really need no platinum medals. Let's go to the threads. Oh wait, MP3s. Man, I don't want no MP3s. I think I can buy all these. I'll buy all of them. We'll buy all of them. We'll buy all of them just cause. Just cause we big balling. We big balling. That's why. We fucking big balling. We big balling shit. Even though they ain't got no Yi on here. And then how much is all this? Yeah, we'll buy all this shit too. We'll just drop a bag on everything. On all the concept art, all the MP3s, and then check this out, check this out, check this out, check this out. Okay, let's go to threads now. Okay, first of all, we going straight and buying the seashell one. Hell yeah. And then we're gonna also buy. What are we gonna buy? 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 Oh, this American Police. No, will cost coins. I only have coins. Sassy schoolgirl. All right. Clown. Oh, you look like a sexy Harley Quinn right there. We will get. Who the fuck wants to be Rosalind, dude? We'll get American cheerleader as well. All right, there we go. I think we're done. Bro got dreads. Ghost Rider? You know how Netspend it's let's make art or let's create art, and now it's let's make death. She's gonna get launched back. Oh, Lewis Legend favorite weapon Nosferatu. Is that what it said? Why is my body shiny? Okay, Ghost Rider. Hey, what? Bitch. Oh, why are those zombies just standing right there? What the fuck is this? Oh, shit, get off me, bitch. Come here, dumbass. Oh, triangle. Ooh, hell yeah. That's not Mortal Kombat spamming a fucking Tower of Death. Okay, go, go, go. Finish him, finish him. Hey, what the fuck? Ah! What the fuck? Bro turned into a transformer. Holy shit. Nah, Nick, this real, bro. Oh my god, I'm missing all my shits. Oh, what the fuck? Woo! Ow. Bro, I got guns too, bro. Oh, he's so fucking low. Oh, you fuck. What? What the fuck? I hit him, bro. All right, there you go. All right, now we slice off his body, right? How in the fuck? Yo, he's making me run out of bullets, bro. God damn, bro. I'm gonna need some more. He's just gonna chill out here? Oh shit, oh shit. Go, 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 go. Finish, finish, finish. No. Run after dumbass. No, yes. How the fuck does that not count? Okay, there we go. Now that's both of his legs. Woo. He has wheels, Nick. He doesn't need legs. I mean, you have no body. Oh shit. Oh shit, he has a fucking spinning one too. Bitch. Bitch. What? Oh, I caught it. Break it. Oh shit. That's the method right there. This one. Hell yeah. Finish, finish, finish. Oh, you bitch. I'm about to die. How did that one not count? I hit him. I hit him. There it is. Oh, no. I have to do this bullshit. There it is. Finally. Now, I'm not going to lie. This one is kind of... I don't know, this for the final boss. This is kind of I'm not gonna lie. The other boss fight, the one with the disco last episode, was way better. Like I don't know if this maybe. Hey, you know what? I haven't played through it all yet. Maybe it's gonna spice up. Who knows? But right now it's kind of just eh. If y'all know what I'm trying to say, it's just like really. I mean, I guess technically the final boss fight isn't even this guy. It's the fucking emo guy that killed our school or summoned all these guys. Oh shit. God damn, bitch. Stop smashing me. Oh, I missed. There we go. No, 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 no. Fuck. There we go. There it is. Holy stages. Holy missiles. Holy shit. Yo, bro, drop landmines? What the fuck is this? What the fuck? Yo, chill. Okay, I might have to use it. What the fuck? Like bro went raiding or something. I might have to use my ultimate here. It's not even gonna do anything, but fuck, bro. Oh shit, that shit does hella damage. What the fuck? Okay, this is like the first time I've actually used my power for a good cause. Actually. Oh my shit, and he's just spinning around. Nah, he gotta go, bro. He gotta go. Oh shit. I'm running out of bullets. No fucking shot. Oh my god. Fucking, oh my god, I clicked it. Yo, and then he's gonna do this fucking spinning around bullshit. There it is. Hell yeah. He won't fight us. Or hopefully our sister snipes him in the brain. Yo, he's not Marlin, bro. Watch out. He kind of looks like the antagonist from Hatred. Oh yeah, they did all say that. What? You about to reincarnate. Oh, he liked Juliet. He was in a cut corner. Well, I ran out of bullets. Well, I didn't completely run out, but I have like 20 or 30. What the fuck is that? Zombie of zombies. Kill a Billy. Kill Billy. Kill a Billy. He summoned Killer Billy. Oh! I got 1D, 2Ds. Are you fucking kidding me? That's bad? Completion. How was I supposed to do that any faster, bro? I told y'all that I felt like there would be one more episode, but it was not in that top right corner. It's gonna be in the middle to fight Killer Billy. And you know what? We're gonna fight Killer Billy tomorrow. Hell yeah. Even though it's probably gonna be a little short little short finale. We gonna fight him tomorrow, alright? Cause I said so. But peace out. Follow me, drop a sub, drop a like. I'm sorry for making you guys wait, but it's okay. It should be out already even by the time you're watching this. I get like 2 views a video. But thank you. And it's already out right now, probably as you're watching. So go watch it.